right, welcome to Spray Paint Art Secrets, April 2019, and we're going to get this month started with this cool meteor shower and electrical tower painting. And there's a lot going on in this one, so we're going to get you started by showing you step by step how to do this beautiful planet with two electrical grids, one on either side of different colors. And we do a lot of layers on this, so it builds up a lot of complexity, and there's all kinds of fun effects that you can learn in this thing that you can imagine how many different science fiction scenarios you could paint using just these effects. And we're also going to enjoy using some found objects, and I'll let you guess what I made that checkerboard texture with, but it came from a dollar store. And then there's just how to use pieces of poster board to direct your paint. You know, there's a lot of cans that don't have a really controllable spray, and you can actually use pieces of poster board with holes poked in them or bent in certain ways to control where your spray goes, and we're going to talk about that a little bit. Plus, lots more in that painting that I haven't even gone into. And this one, another found object painting from the dollar store. I found this little froggy and I thought, well, what can we do with this? So I did kind of an improvisation of little froggies in the swamp, and I used a couple things from the dollar store. I used the froggies and I used makeup sponges. There's no brushwork in this. It's all done using the froggy toy and makeup sponges and just regular spray paint art techniques. So I'm going to show you how to do that, how to create. I love this foliage effect. This foliage effect with the makeup sponge, boy, it really lets you create some elegant kinds of paintings without having to do all that brushwork. This is really, really fast. So if you want to learn how to do that, sign up to be either a basic member or a gold member. In April 2019, gold members will have access to all of these videos, but will also have access to this gargantuan library, which is like over 400 videos of spray paint art techniques. And basic members will have access to modules, which will explain all the basic techniques plus these videos of the month. So then we're going to move on. That was a swamp painting, again using makeup sponges and some other techniques. And then this is another painting which I was really exploring the makeup sponges this week, and those mushrooms can be made with a different part of the makeup sponge used in a different way. So we're going to do a painting with like a big cosmic eye and some mushrooms in sort of a dark jungly area, and I'm going to use a little bit of stencils. I'm going to show you how to play with just any kind of stencil you might pick up. It doesn't have to be this particular one. I just collect stencils, which I think are cool. Some are really cheap, some are a little bit more expensive, but I've been beginning to add just a little bit of fun stuff with the stencils. So it's just to give you ideas about stuff that you might be able to do if you have some interesting textures that you can add, and you know how you can add that to sort of the regular spray paint art techniques and just make your life a lot easier and increase the range of your effects. All right. So if you haven't already done this, please go to spraypaintartsecrets.com and sign up for the mailing list, where you will get a free lesson video and materials list. If you have any questions, my name is Elisa Amor and my email is spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com, and I'll be very happy to hear from you and hear all of your spray paint art questions. See you inside. Ciao.